Welcome to our channel, where today we will guide you through the straightforward process to activate your Wells Fargo Propel card effortlessly. Welcome to our channel, where today we will guide you through the straightforward process to activate your Wells Fargo Propel card effortlessly. Activating your card is an important first step to start enjoying all the benefits and rewards that come with it. Here's a simple step-by-step approach to get your Wells Fargo Propel card ready for use. First, make sure you have your Wells Fargo Propel card and any accompanying documentation within reach. Usually, the activation instructions are included in the welcome packet or sticker on the card itself. The most convenient way to activate your card is online. Head over to the official Wells Fargo website and navigate to the credit card activation page. You will be prompted to enter specific details such as your card number, expiration date, and the security code located on the back of your card. After entering the necessary information, you will need to verify your identity. This usually involves providing some personal information like your social security number or answers to security questions that only you would know. Once your identity is confirmed, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete activation. Alternatively, if you prefer to activate your card by phone, call the number provided on the activation sticker on your card. The phone activation system may be automated, or you might be connected to a Wells Fargo representative. Just have your card handy to provide the necessary details. After completing the phone activation steps, your card will be ready to use. If you run into any problems during either activation method, Wells Fargo customer service is available to assist you. They can help resolve issues such as incorrect information or difficulties with the verification process. After activation, make sure to sign the back of your card to protect yourself against unauthorized use. Remember to set up online banking to monitor your account easily and make payments on time. By following these straightforward steps, you can activate your Wells Fargo Propel card quickly and securely, allowing you to start using it for purchases, earning rewards, and managing your finances confidently. Don't forget, keeping your activation information private and your account details secure is essential. Make activation your first priority and unlock the full potential of your Wells Fargo Propel card today. Also, if this guide helped you, please subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more useful financial tips and guides.